Hey ladies, and welcome back. So today I want to show you some of the items that I found in my local TJ Maxx. I know last video we were talking about different perfumes, like how to find your scent. So when I walked in here, it just hit me like, oh my gosh, there's so many different perfumes. This first box I picked up is the Versace, and with this collection you get the body wash, the lotion, and then also the perfume. If you are interested in seeing the different brands and also the prices that these items are, please stay tuned. And then here is a set of different Calvin Klein perfumes. So you get like a nice variety, a nice little sample. And this was only $29.99. This brand here is Marc Jacobs Honey. I personally never smelled this, but I heard that this is a very popular scent. And J'adore by Dior, another very popular scent. My mother loves this smell. So yeah, ladies, as you see, like if you already have your signature scent or you have this, the fragrance that you really like, check out some of these different department stores, because you might be able to find your signature scent in a TJ Maxx, a Ross, a Marshalls, any type of discount department store. Be able to find it there at a fraction of the cost. A Dolce & Gabbana set. Once again, you get the body lotion, and I think that's the shower gel with a fairly large bottle of perfume. The great thing about this is not only are there a lot of different perfumes, but the prices were excellent. Some of these prices were about a quarter of the cost of what you would pay in the department store. So ladies, have you been able to find your signature scent this holiday season? I know it's only been about a week, but just keep working at it. Don't feel rushed. And if you haven't checked out my previous video about scent, please definitely go check that out. I will have it linked in the description box below. And this is a good way for you to try out different scents. If you are kind of on the fence about which one to go with, because the cost is fairly inexpensive. This time of year is definitely the time of year to buy stuff like this for yourself. I know the holiday season is a time to give, but also don't forget to give to yourself. You're out shopping, you're running around, you're going to parties and all this stuff. It's nice to treat yourself every once in a while with these little luxuries. Look at this wall. It was so beautiful, and I loved it just because of all the colors, the way how they had it displayed. Now, one of the downsides to shopping in a store like this is, as you see, everything is locked up. There are no testers, so you're not going to be able to spray it. You're not going to be able to, open the bottle and just give it a nice sniff to see if you like that scent. No, you're not going to be able to do that. So what you have to do is go to the actual department store or Sephora or, wherever else you can purchase perfume and smell it there. Do tests there. Another tip too is if you can actually get the tester, those little tiny like vials that have the perfume in it, you probably get like a couple of sprays out of it. A great way to bring that fragrance home with you and to try it out before committing to buying. Well, ladies, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I would definitely try to just do more candid videos like this as well, because this is a journey not only for you, I hope, but this is a journey for me as well. So when I do find things that pertains to self-care or making myself feel fabulous, luxurious, or anything like that, I will try to definitely record it. So, the quality may not be the best or the lighting or anything like that, because this is a journey and I definitely want to share this with you. So I will catch you guys on the next video, and ladies, don't forget, let's be fabulous.